नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपके अपने YouTube चैनल नया ज्ञान में आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं अजीत कुमार मकवाना। आज हम फिर एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में सीखेंगे या जानेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।
Dear researcher, the IMM is calling applications for the short course in Applied Statistics and Research Methods in TechX. 1. The course will be conducted online via Zoom, theory and practical. 2. The course commences on 18th Sunday, June 2023. 3. The duration of the course is 30 hours, 05 consecutive Sundays. 4. The brochure of the course is attached for your reference. Feel free to contact us for further details. Best regards. Major KM Udya Banda Konar Singhe WWV, RSP, retired. MBA, Rajata University of Sri Lanka. Managing Director Head of Administration. Institute of Mathematics and Management. Education, Research and Analytical Support Services. Sri Lanka and Australia.